What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the G35. So, like always, guys, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, do me that favor, subscribe right down below the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, make sure you share the video, and like always, if you do those things, I'd greatly appreciate it, and you'll be part of the G35 fam. That being said, guys, for today's video, I'm going to be installing some LED license plate lights on the G35. Now, I went ahead and went with this type of style rather than just, an LED bulb. I'm going to explain the differences in the video, just give you a little bit of knowledge between the two and why I ended up choosing this one rather than the other one. And then I'm going to install this light in less than 2 minutes, guys. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure y'all stay tuned in the video and we'll get this video rolling. But like always, guys, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Alright, guys, so before I install this LED on the vehicle, I just thought I'd give you a little knowledge on the differences between the two and why I chose this one instead of this LED. So the difference is one is a cob LED and one is a SMD LED. So this right here is an SMD LED, which stands for Surface Mounted Device, which is more just like another name for like an LED with a circuit board. Now this has pretty much 18 individual lights on it, and it's going to produce a lot more lumens and a lot more light, and it's going to be more energy efficient and less wattage compared to a cob light, which stands for clip on board. As you can see, yes, you have different LEDs, but when it comes to the brightness, this one right here is going to produce more lighting. Me personally, you can choose whatever you want. I actually chose this one because everything's already built in. It's just a plug and play, a lot more simpler than something like this, which it does the same thing. You just remove the back part of the light and you have the socket. But when it comes to it, I kind of like this style a lot more. And as you can see, more lighting means more brightness, and that's a good thing for me. The only downfall about LEDs, guys, is when they go out, they start to strobe, and if you have an issue with seizures or stuff that has to do with blinking lights, when these go out, they have a lot of issues with strobing. And unlike this one where you could just replace the bulb, the downfall to this product is, you're gonna have to replace everything because everything's built in all together. So that's the only downfall between the two when it comes to this product, but I'm still gonna put this on and make it work. So now let me go set up the camera and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install these. So all right, guys, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install these. If you have a flathead, I kind of recommend it, being that to remove the old harness, you might have to use your finger or something thin to pry open the little tab. I'm gonna use my thumb because it's already all messed up. But guys, so I got my stopwatch right here. And I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to install these. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So then all you do is just twist this like that. Then these right here, this little tab, push it down and kind of wiggle it so it pops off. And then so if you go like this, the side with this clamp is gonna go right here. Like that. Then this one. Okay. Twist it like that. The same thing. Push down. Wiggle it like that. And plug it in. And there it goes. Hopefully it's making a good connection because I didn't snap. And then you just put back in. 30 seconds. Twenty seconds, guys. Oh no. Time. All done. 150. Kind of had a little struggling at the end, but everything's in there. Let's see. Let's see. One right there. And then the other one right there. So, yeah, let's turn them on and see what they look like. Let's see. Put the camera right there. Okay, go turn it on. There we go. Nice and bright, and it's still during the day, so as you can see, a lot better than an incandescent bulb. So yeah, guys, I really like the way it looks, so I'm gonna see how it looks at night. But for the most part, guys, that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about either like what type of lighting to get or anything involving, you know, the lights, because I kind of do that. I kind of do that as a profession when it comes to electrical. I know a lot about lighting, so yeah, looks pretty good. So without further ado, that pretty much concludes this video. I'll see you on the next one. If this is your first time tuning in, like always, put that thumbs up, share the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy Giovanni. Stay safe out there. Peace.